Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm taking with me on my cruise for makeup. So everything that I'm taking with me as well as my makeup bag I'll be showing you guys and how I'm going to pack everything. So let's get started. I'll first show you my makeup bag. I got it from Amazon. It's really inexpensive, but I've been using it now for a year maybe and it works really well. So this is the makeup bag. It has all these compartments and everything, and then also has this brush pouch. I already have all the brushes in there and everything, and it's kind of dirty because I use it every single day. But I really like it because you can compartmentalize all the things, have a space for your brushes. There's even a zipper pouch here if you want to put a palette. And then it's also really sturdy, so nothing's gonna break or anything in this makeup bag. So first, like I said, I have my daily brushes. I just have some eye brushes here, face brushes, powder, all that kind of stuff. I will list everything down below that I have. I'm not gonna go through every single brush because that would take a while, as well as all the makeup stuff. But I just have kind of like 10 brushes that it works really easily. Obviously, if you don't have room for that, that's fine, but I do, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna start with how things are gonna go on my face. So first things first is primer, and I've been trying this out lately and I've been loving it. This is the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. It's like a spray that you spray on your face before makeup. You can set your makeup with this, and I really do think it makes everything last longer and like helps my oils and everything. So I'm definitely taking this. I'm also taking the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner in case I want some like pore filling action. So this is just kind of like a balmy texture, and I'm gonna bring that. And then one other primer just in case I get really oily, since it is gonna be really hot weather, like 80s and humid and everything. I'm gonna bring the Stay Matte primer from Rimmel as well. So just kind of gonna be prepared with multiple different primers. So then for foundation, I'm gonna take 3 different types. So the first thing I'm gonna take are the No. 7 Custom Blend Foundation Drops. I have a full review of these on my channel. I have 2 different shades, Calico and Warm Beige. I can mix these with a moisturizer or my daily sunscreen, and they'll like, it's kind of like a foundation. It's like almost a tinted moisturizer action, but it's probably about a medium coverage. You can kind of customize that, and so I'm going to bring both shades just in case I get fair once my self-tan wears off. And then the other thing that I'm going to wear probably the majority of the time is the Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I have mine in the shade Light Medium. I have a full blog post review of this on my channel, but it's really nice because it controls my oils and looks like skin. So if you want more info though about my full thoughts and my review, go over to my blog, emilyfreybler.com, and it should be one of the most recent posts under the beauty tab. And then one last foundation, just because I'm super extra, I'm gonna bring the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation. I really like this foundation, and I really like it mixed with this one, and it's a darker shade, so just in case I do get nice and tan, then I'll have options. I like to have options when I go on vacation, especially like on a cruise or something. I'm not gonna be out buying makeup, so I'm gonna make sure to have what I want. Then for powder, I think this is the only powder that I'm gonna be bringing. This is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Powder. I tried this on my Instagram stories and I am loving it, you guys. It's just like it's a powder with a little bit of coverage. I'm sure you can build it up and stuff, but I mainly use it just kind of like set the face. Looks really natural, keeps my oils decently at bay, but it doesn't make my skin feel like tight or anything, and so I really like this powder, and that's all I'm gonna be bringing to set my under eyes, set my face, everything like that. Okay, for bronzer, blush, highlight, bronzer, I'm going to take the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. This has been my go-to bronzer lately because I still haven't repurchased my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've just been kind of trying to use other things as well. I'm just not wanting to spend another $14 on Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, although I do love that formula. So this is my favorite one right now, and I really like it. And just for reference, I love applying it with this Essence Kabuki brush. It is the best way to blend it out since it is like so pigmented. It works really well. For another like bronzer, I guess you could call it, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Toast. So I like to use this on days when I don't want like powder on my face. I want like a really natural look, such as if I'm going to be using the BB cream before we like go out exploring for the day. Out exploring for the day. If I'm going to go to the pool and take some pictures, something like that, I'll put some of this on just for a little bit of bronze and definition, but then I'm not going to be powdering my face. So definitely bringing this for a more like naturally look. And then along the same lines, I'm going to be taking the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. This is like a really nice liquid blush formula. I like to bring things like this for vacation because I feel like it looks really natural on the face and it helps last a long time. At night, if I want to build things on top of these, like lay this down first and then use my other powder products to really like lock that in, or just during the day for a really natural look. So love bringing cream products on vacation. And then for a powder blush, I can't speak today, I'm going to be using the Milani Luminoso Blush. This is a great versatile blush and perfect for vacation because it's this like peachy color with a little bit of a glow to it. So it's going to make your face look super nice and healthy and luminous. Then for highlight, I'm bringing two different ones. This is from Milani. This is their Instant Glow powder in the shade DayGlow. It's such a pretty like golden shade, which I love for vacation when your skin is a little bit more tan. It's just gorgeous. Then from Colourpop, I'm going to take their Super Shock Cheek in Lunchmoney. This is a beautiful like cream formula as well, kind of like a cream powder formula. It's really honestly a strange formula, but it works really well for those like no makeup days, and then also for like full face days. So I'm bringing a couple different options so that again I have options. I forgot to mention concealer. The only concealers I'm going to be bringing are the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I have mine in the shade Light and Sand. These look so like skin-like and natural, which again, that's what I want on vacation because I'm maybe sweating, all that stuff. I'm not really going to bring like a full coverage concealer. I don't think it's necessary. So bringing these two. And then for kind of like discoloration under eyes and stuff, I've been trying this out recently and I've been liking it when I do remember to use it because I honestly forget a lot. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer. So I like to put this underneath the eyes to cancel out any darkness. Since it is that like peachy orangey shade, it's going to really cancel out the like blue undertones of the dark circles. Okay, so for brows, I'm mainly probably going to be using this. This is the Catrice Eyebrow Filler Perfecting and Shaping Gel. I use this every single day. It keeps my brows in place for forever. I could wear this to the pool if I wanted, and it'll make sure everything stays in place. And it just looks a lot more natural. When I want something a little bit more defined, maybe for dinner or something, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil just to kind of fill in any of those sparse areas. So definitely using this combination. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to take this Kokie Chocolate Velvet Smooth eyeliner just for like if I want to smoke out my lash line, something like that. And then also the Deck of Scarlet black eyeliner. Any kohl eyeliner will do. I just like to use that for when I'm going to be wearing my magnetic lashes. I am going to be wearing magnetic lashes. I'm going to be bringing the Demi Wispies and double Demi Wispies and probably the Wispies just in case I want a more dramatic day or not. I might use them, I might not. We'll see how I feel, but I want to bring them just in case. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using Covergirl mascaras, the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplifying Primer, and then the Exhibitionist mascara. This is new from them. I'm going to be bringing the waterproof one and the regular one because I'll probably use waterproof like if I'm going to go to the pool or something and want to put on a little mascara, but then probably the normal one at night. Again, with it being humid and stuff, I don't know if I'll need waterproof mascara. I don't know, I just want to be prepared. And then of course I need an eyelash curler. That's like a given for me. I always bring that. And then lipstick. So I need to go pick up my CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip liner in Caramel Nude. I've ran out of all of mine because I love it so much. So I need to go get one of those, maybe a couple of them for backups. I just totally should have done it when I was at Walmart earlier, but I totally forgot. So oh well, I'm going to be using that lip liner with all of these products. So Again, from CoverGirl, I'm going to be using the Exhibitionist lipsticks. I brought the shade Champagne and Honey Bloomed. Champagne is more of like a nude shade, kind of pinky, but then Honey Bloomed is more pink, like more straight pink, and I like mixing them together. It's really pretty for this like vacation mode. And then I'm going to be using London NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. This is like for days when I want more of a matte lip and not something so like, I don't know, over the top, I guess. Something glossy. And then for these Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipsticks, I'm going to be bringing this one called Peach Stole My Look. And then, where's my other one? It must still be in my purse. I'm going to be bringing the Peach Stole My Look and then Send Nudes. They are the best like high shine lipsticks. They look like a gloss, but they have the pigment of a lipstick. It is amazing and I love it. So here is the shade Send Nude. See the difference? This one's a lot more nude and this one's a lot more like peaky peach. And I like to mix these two together for a really pretty like corally vacation shade. I also forgot to mention for eyeliners, I'm going to be bringing the Essence Super Last Eyeliner in Deep Black in case I want to do a wing one night. And then also for lip glosses, these are probably very similar, but I like them both so much. This is the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. You can't go wrong. I believe I'm wearing this one right now. Then this is the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Champagne. So I like things with the name Champagne, of course. And these are the lips that I'm bringing. So as you can see, everything fits in here so nicely. All of these are lip shades. I have my different powders here, like bronzer, highlight, blush, the healthy powder. I have my foundations here, my primers, my highlight, all of that, my sponge. Then we have brows, eyeliners, concealers, mascaras, all the little things in there. And then of course in here we have the brushes. And then most of the time lately I haven't been wearing eyeshadow and stuff, but sometimes on vacation I like to do like a nicer look. So I'm going to be bringing this palette. I don't think it's available anymore, but it's one of my favorites. I'll try and link some similar ones for you guys with everything else. By the way, everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. This is so nice because it has two blushes, has a bronzer, a setting shade, and a contour shade, and then all of these eyeshadows. So I'm just going to bring this just in case I want to do my eyeshadow and just have a little bit more variety for face powders. But I'll try and link something similar from Smashbox so that you guys can hopefully get something like this because it's so, so amazing. And I love the big mirror in case I need something like that as well. So I'll probably just pack this one separately. This one's not going to fit in the top pocket of this. But I love this bag because I used to have to take like two different compartments for my makeup, and now I just need this and my palette. Like that's all I need for my makeup. I know it looks like a huge amount of makeup, which it probably is for most people, but it's what I like, and then I have variety and can make sure I have everything that I need to look and feel my best. So I hope you guys, oh, also, sorry, one more thing. I'm also going to be bringing the Sonia Kashuk Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. It's basically you can spray this on your brush and then wipe it on a paper towel like I did to my foundation brush earlier today, and like clean it off between uses. So definitely bringing this is perfect for travel and just like everyday use. So I will make sure to link that for you guys as well. That's everything that I'm going to be bringing. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram so that you can follow along with my vacation and everything. I'm going to be sharing a lot of pictures over there and hopefully some Instagram stories when I have Wi-Fi and everything like that. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.